Hi! Um, May binili lang kasi ako. Binili ko to sa hindi pala. In-order ko sa, I think, Shopee. Tama, in-order ko sa Shopee. Pero galing Hong Kong. From a Hong Kong shop. Nasa Hong Kong ako the other week. Tumingin ako nito. And siguro tanga lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung saan bumibili nito. Saan talaga nakakabili nito. Pero yung parang famous electronic shop nila doon, yung Fortress, lumalabas, mas mahal pa ng 1,000 pesos sa Hong Kong compared dun sa Shopee, tawag dito? Dun sa Shopee shop. Basta yun. So, Shopee shop. Well, anyways, nung nasa Hong Kong ako, na-try ko siya. This is yung latest na Shocks, yung Open Fit Pro. No? So it's an open ear headset. And the reason why I decided to buy this kasi meron na akong meron na akong I have an aging Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Tapos meron ako nabiling cheap LG X Boom. So usually puro in-ear 'yon. Ginagamit ko 'yon sa pag bumabiyahe, pag nagta-travel. So in-ear, parehong may noise cancelling. So si Samsung is very good, maganda, magaling hanggang ngayon. Magaling pa rin man yung battery capacity niya. So baka tanongin niyo, bakit kailangan ko pang bumili? Meron ka pa nun. Okay. So, di ba nga dalawa? Every time malaki yung risk na malaglag. No? So actually nalaglag na siya one time na nasa eroplano ako. Buti na lang hindi masyadong tumalbog. So it didn't bounce out that far, just stayed there near my feet. So madali kong makuha. No? So paano pa kung lumayo? So yung magsasabi sa inyo, baka kasi hindi mo nakapasok ng gusto or hindi nakafit, di ba? Yung may earplugs yun eh. Siguro weird lang talaga yung ears ko na kahit na anong size yung try, talagang nandoon. And one more thing, I've realized na medyo there's pressure on my ears, especially on planes, no? And then when I yawn, they pop out. So now, I was thinking of buying the XM series ni Sony. Kaso lang, nag-try ako ng JBL, pero on-ear ito. No? So, medyo masikip. Hindi siya relaxing. So, pag gagamitin ko siya for trips, baka mapagod lang ako. Sumakit lang ng husto. And remember, I have eyeglasses. Pero I'm not discounting the XM series. Sabi nila, soft naman daw. Hindi ko alam. So, siguro I'll just buy it and then try yung XM5 since cheaper na yung XM5 ngayon. By the way, I'm not an audiophile. No? So, mahilig lang ako sa sound pero I don't really mind yung mga pinakikinggan ng mga audiophiles. Okay? So, let's go back to this. Bakit itong shock? So, this is an open ear hook type. So, naka-hook lang siyang ganon. And then, I tried this in Hong Kong. Malakas naman siya. So, I tried it in an open area kasi maingay naman dun sa Fortress. Sinubukan ko, malakas siya in a sense na kaya niyang i-drown out yung mga external noise kahit na naka-on, ay lalo na pag naka-on yung noise cancelling feature. So sabi mo, doktor ka tapos dapat hindi mo pinopromote yung malalakas sa ears. I know. Okay, so this is just my preference. I'm doing this vlog not because I'm trying to influence you and go against me against my medical profession, but just to tell you na yun nga, I bought this one, I like it, and most likely this is what I'm going to use when I go on traveling. So I'll be going to Japan next month. But hindi mo na lang doon binili? Well, I can't wait. This is an impulse buy. I'm going to show you when I open this up. So sinasabi ko lang, this is a new Open Fit Pro. This is around almost 15,000 locally. So they're available in different electronic shops. So they are, I think Abenson has it, Digital Walker, Beyond the Box has it. Online, siguro yung parang um, what do you call it? Data Blitz, meron din. So mga nasa 15,000. So I got it a 1,000 cheaper, so parang 13,000 plus sa online. Tapos ano pa, installment basis, parang 3 months. So not bad, di ba? Um, Update ko kayo pag nabuksan ko to. Siguro I'm traveling tomorrow, not via an airplane. So I'll be driving, so hindi ko to mabubuksan. When I get there, I'll update you guys. Okay? Sige, kung may questions kayo, subukan natin sagutin sa comments kapag nabuksan ko yun. It's multi-point, so I think I'm going to pair it with both my Galaxy Fold and the iPhone. Di ko alam kung ilan pa. I'll still do some research kung how many devices can it handle. Kasi if I'm going to use the iPad to watch movies, then sige, i-prepare ko rin dun malamang. Alright? So, that's just about it for today. I'll see you again when I've opened that up. Bye-bye. Take care.